The oil and gas or petroleum industry provides significant and stable career opportunities around the world. To pursue a professional and rewarding career in the oil and gas industry, it is essential that you first understand the industry and find out the possibilities for a better career. Reading the Oil and Gas Jobs and Career Guidebook will provide you with everything you need to know about a career in the oil and gas industry, including the 3 key elements for a successful oil and gas career, the 4 essential and valuable oil and gas skill categories, and the most popular oil and gas training and certification courses required to kickstart careers in the oil and gas world. The book is currently available at a significant discount. To buy and download it, please click the link in or around this video, and then read it to gain the essential knowledge and information you need to make sound decisions and confidently start or strengthen your career in the oil and gas exploration, production, transportation, or refining work sectors of the oil and gas or petroleum industry.